Meet Fred and George Weasley, the mischievous and inventive twins from the Harry Potter series. Known for their endless creativity and love of mischief, Fred and George are the heart and soul of Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, their joke shop in Diagon Alley. Whether they're testing out their latest inventions on unsuspecting students or outsmarting authority figures with their wit and charm, the Weasley twins always leave a lasting impression. But beyond their humor and antics, Fred and George are fiercely loyal and courageous, standing up for what's right and fighting alongside Harry and their friends in the darkest of times. Fred and George Weasley may be known for their jokes, but their bravery and loyalty make them true heroes in the wizarding world. Celebrating the indomitable spirit and infectious laughter of Fred and George Weasley in the magical world of Harry Potter.